All right, well, let's talk about this heat. Another check of your forecast. We're getting ready to start that work week with KJ. And man, I know you're getting ready to be weather aware tomorrow, but it's already hot today.
That's exactly right, Jane. The goal is to make sure everyone's aware of the impact that heat poses on all of us. Take a look at the air temperatures we're facing for tomorrow, 97. We're also looking at temperatures to top out near 100. That does not include the heat index. Once you factor in the humidity, it is going to boost that feels like temperature up to 103 to 107. So, of course, that does take a strain on everyone as well as infrastructure. So you certainly want to be mindful of the high heat and humidity as we move into the next few days. Day in and day out, we will deal with that stifling heat, making for some heavy conditions. So make sure you're staying cool, seeking shade, taking it easy, and also staying hydrated throughout your day, especially if you are going to be out in the elements tomorrow. We're going to have some hot and primarily dry days, similar to today. A few scattering of showers and storms were out there early on. Meanwhile, most of us didn't get a drop of rain today. Let's head into your evening hours. This is your Sunday evening. Notice temperatures will hover around 92 through 7 p.m. We're not going to fall below 80 until late tonight, perhaps 11 p.m. or midnight. Overnight temperatures, let's get you out the door for tomorrow morning. Many of us in the low and mid 70s, so it will be a very warm start to your day. In Rock Hill, around 73. Some of the cooler spots, as you would imagine, Boone will start off tomorrow morning around 60, 61. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast into your Monday, kicking off a brand new week. Let's see how things are going to warm up by 10 a.m. Already close to 90. By noon tomorrow, around 93. Not a day to have lunch outside tomorrow, at least not for a long time, unless you're going to be in the shade and have something cool to drink, or at least cold to drink, if I may, because temperatures are going to heat up rather quickly tomorrow. Make sure you have those sunglasses tomorrow. Have a hat if you're going to be outside. Limit your exposure. All of these play into just wearing you down when it comes to that high heat and humidity. So let's bring in the heat index for tomorrow, Tuesday, as well as Wednesday. The time frame to be weather aware will be the middle of the day, so around lunchtime up until about 8 p.m. That's a large chunk of your day. We'll be dealing with triple-digit heat. So Tuesday looks to be the hottest day with heat index values around 107. By Thursday and Friday, the heat will be a non-issue by the second half of the week because we'll have some rain-cooled air to move in, more cloud cover, higher rain chances. That is going to keep a lid on those temperatures. So let's talk about that rainfall because we do have a worsening drought situation. Most of North Carolina is now in a moderate drought, so we will get some beneficial rainfall coming in throughout the week. Over the next 5 days, we could have anywhere from, say, 2 to 4 inches of rainfall spreading across the area. Some of those dry spots could certainly use the rain. Here's how it breaks down over the coming days. So small chances for tomorrow, hit or miss, but where we have those showers, we could have a few downpours out there. By Tuesday, slight rain chances, but notice they will pick up by Thursday into your Friday. We'll have a better coverage of showers, and that will play into relief from the heat wave. Temperatures are going to cool down. We're trending cooler over the next 6 to 10 days, and you can see it here. So when you see this matte blue, this is a probability that we will be on the cooler side. I have it all spelled out for you here with the Guy Roof and 7-day forecast. We're in the red Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. High heat and humidity day in and day out. By Thursday, Friday, notice we're going to dial back on the heat. Temperatures will be about 10 degrees, Jane, below average for Friday, even into the upcoming weekend for Saturday and Sunday.
All right, we'll get there eventually. That next weekend looks pretty good, though. Thanks, KJ.